Today we are in our manufacturing plant to show you just how effective the VisionRise air purifier is at removing pollutants from indoor air. As you can see, we've constructed a large box where we will run a smoke test with our air purifier. This thing is big enough for 2 or 3 people to climb into. This smoke test will give you an idea of just how the VisionRise air purifier actually works. Here, we've turned the box sideways. We have our purifier and a smoke machine. Of course, in your home, you'll never have thick smoke like you're about to see in this test. We're using smoke for this test because it's one airborne contaminant you can actually see. As the purifier destroys the smoke in the air, it will show you how it destroys the stuff that you cannot see. I'm talking about bad pollution, like viruses, bacteria, and mold. Let's get back to the test. I have 2 remotes. One will first allow me to turn on the smoke machine. The second remote will allow me to turn on the air purifier. In the middle of this box, we have a divider. Once we fill the box with smoke, we will use this divider to create 2 separate airtight chambers, one with the purifier and one without the purifier. Comparing the 2 chambers will allow you to see in real time the effectiveness of the VisionRise air purifier. Let's close the box up with this glass to create an airtight seal. Pay attention to the 2 X's, one on one side with the purifier and one on the side without the purifier. First, let's get some smoke in the box. After a couple of minutes, you can see the smoke has dispersed and it is quite thick. You can't see either of the X's on the back walls of the chambers through the smoke. Now, let's insert the divider. This will create an airtight seal right down the middle of the box. Now let's turn on the purifier and see what happens. Now we've skipped ahead just a few short minutes. You can see the chamber which contains the purifier has just about destroyed the smoke. The chamber without the purifier is still full of smoke. There is a sharp contrast how visible the X's are on the back wall of each chamber. Now you have seen how the purifier destroys pollution in the air. We really put a lot of smoke into a smaller space. If the purifier did as well as it did with this extra thick cloud of smoke, imagine how effective it will be in your home or office. As we mentioned before, this test isn't about removing smoke. We use the smoke simply to demonstrate how this purifier works at sanitizing your indoor air. What's important? This purifier removes bacteria, viruses, VOCs, mold, dust, and other forms of pollution. The technology in this purifier outperforms other purification methods. For example, HEPA-type filters tend to only filter the air right around the filter, not larger areas where it's needed the most. The technology in the VisionRise air purifier moves purification through bigger areas of your home, around corners and into crevices, destroying the bad stuff. The VisionRise purifier doesn't just sanitize the air in your home or office. The technology we use has been also proven to reduce bacteria, viruses, and other contaminants on the surfaces of your home. For example, if someone who is sick sneezes, the technology in this purifier will reduce the contaminants in the air, but it will also help reduce contagions on countertops, floors, and tables. It's these surfaces where pathogens can survive for hours, just waiting for someone else to touch them and become infected. Explore the details of the VisionRise air purifier. See why the technology used in this purifier is trusted by NASA. Discover why hospitals across the world are trusting this technology to fight COVID-19. Discover how this simple device can be a life changer for you and the people you love.